back the story, the reason that we are all here. The first two films showed us forests that glow with living life, oceans that pulse with life, and a world teeming with wonder. Tonight, a new chapter awakens, shaped by fire and ash, by loss and the strength that comes from it. Pandora has officially changed, and so has its story. Prepare to be carried away further than ever before, and to feel the pulse of Pandora, and to witness a tale that will linger way after the end credits roll. Avatar Fire and Ash has a call for all of you. Are you ready to answer the call? One time for me, give me that energy. Are you ready?
Our love will never fade away. We're diamonds in the dark. I put my head against your chest and listen to your heart. 'Cause you are my home. No matter where I go, never alone. 'Cause somehow I always know. Even through the flames, even through the ashes in the sky, baby, when we dream as one. Every time I breathe, it's a song to keep this love alive. I know when we dream as one. I know when we dream as one. So beautiful when we're together, like feathers on a wing. Riding right beside me, we're two arrows in the wind. 'Cause you are my home. No matter where I go, never alone. I've never been afraid to let you know that. Even through the flames, even through the ashes in the sky, baby, when we dream as one. Every time I breathe, it's a song to keep this love alive. I know when we dream as one. Even through the flames, even through the ashes in the sky, baby,